Welcome back to Electrified Deliveries and welcome to Monday versus Tuesday. If you've seen any of my Monday videos lately, I've been doing really well. I've been on fire on Mondays, but you know what? I haven't done a Tuesday at all this year. So I want to see how Tuesday compares to Monday. But we're starting off with Monday and we're starting off with this one. $7 and a penny for 18 minutes. If it's ready, it can be done in 15 or less. Let's go grab it. Yeah, for Alex. Is it this one here? Yeah. Thank you, appreciate it. You too. So that last customer was immediate door, but guess what? She wasn't even home. I rang the doorbell, heard nothing. So then I was just gonna put it down, take a picture, call it a day. The app just stopped working. I tried to reset it about 3 or 4 times, still would not let me reset. Comment down below if that happens to you. The app absolutely sucks. Someone put in my comments recently, the apps suck. And in this instance, it absolutely did. It took me 5 minutes just trying to find a spot where I could end it. That's all I wanted. End it and put it out of my misery so I can get another offer like this one. $8, 22 minutes. Let's hope it's ready. Let's go grab it. Let's keep it coming Monday, $12.56 for 39 minutes. I know, it's a little long, but you know what? It's not too bad. It's gonna take me to where I wanna be. Let's go grab these 2 orders. Hi, B4C10, Uber. Wonderful, thank you, appreciate that. Hi, Uber Eats for Joseph. Ah, perfect. It's ready. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thank you. That last double order only took 30 minutes, and I'm hoping this one takes 30 minutes or less. It is $13.56, trip radar, 32 minutes. I'm sure if it's ready, we can get it done in under a half. Yeah. Uber for Leanne? I'm Leanne. That's me, perfect. Thank you, sir. So that one took the exact 32 minutes. You know what? Not too bad, but I've been waiting and declining. Way too much decline. Decline. I think I declined about 8 in a row until finally a good one came. $11 for 22 minutes. It's 2 pickups, but you know what? This can be done in no time. Hi, 45C6D, Uber? It's both of these? Is it both?
Both, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hi, picking up for Uber, 1C640, Ainsley. Ainsley, yes. Sure. Yeah, it's ready. Perfect. I'll just take that one first. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. You have a great night. Oh, hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. How about you?
Good. For Ainsley?
It is for Ainsley. Correct. I got 2 bags for you.
Okay.
1 and 2. Awesome. Perfect. Enjoy.
You too.
Thanks. What's up with people doing meet at door and then not being at the door? I have to leave it there, take a picture. That first one, I got the tip, no problem, but I'm always nervous. I always think they're going to just say that it didn't arrive and they're going to pull their tip and I'm going to be in trouble. I don't want to do that. I don't need that aggravation. Hopefully all is good. So we're going to round out hour number 3 with this one, $7 for 15 minutes. It's ice cream. You know what? That means it's probably going to be done in under 10. So I'm going to grab this one, and if you can like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Uber Eats for Mercedes. Perfect, thank you. So that concludes hour number 3. It's going to bring our grand total tonight to $59.13. You know what? Not a very good night. My first Monday that I did in over a year, I did almost $100. Then the one after that, I was doing $23, $24 an hour. Now look at this. Now back to just under 20. I'm really hoping Tuesday can kick Monday's ass. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and you'll see if Tuesday wins. We'll see you then.